Numbers can be written in two different ways: cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal numbers, you can see here, these numbers indicate the amount of something, how much it is. That's what the cardinal numbers tell. Whereas the ordinal numbers tell you the position or rank of something. So how to write a number with ordinal indicator in Microsoft Excel? In this video we are going to learn. There is one typical way you can write 1 and like first, then you can write 2 and say the second, but this is how it will take a lot of time for you. So the best way is, and it also do not show this ordinal indicator in superscript, so we will include everything. First we write the first number, let's say it is 1, so 1 ST, then go inside the cell, select the ordinal indicator ST, press Ctrl 1 to open the cell formatting menu and click on superscript, say OK. Now press enter. The indicator is now in superscript. Now writing the rest of the numbers is as simple as going to this fill handle when your mouse cursor will change to a bold plus icon and double click on that, and that's it. Here you go. You can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, everything is taken properly by Excel. Excel is so smart in doing this kind of thing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and colleagues, and consider subscribing to our channel for many more interesting videos about Excel. Thank you.